Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 boxes we're going to unbox, and I believe all of these items are going to be made available on hookedonpickin.com. So you don't even have to email me, you just go straight to the store and you can buy these things. But I can't remember what exactly is in each box, so we're going to pull everything out and see what it is. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so we're going to go ahead and just open both of these. This is from one of my wholesalers, so everything will be in brand new condition. And I think it's closed, so I'm going to be very careful when opening these with a box cutter. Yep, it is. All right, so this looks like it's sizes 1 large, 1 extra large, 1 XXL, or 2 extra large, 2 XLs, and a 3XL. So let's see what this is. I think these are my yoga pants that I like. Maybe? Yep. Oh, yeah, these are the ones that have the bows on the bottom. So black ones with bows on the bottom. I've had these on the store before, but I think I was sold out. So we've got those. So we've got all those sizes. And then let's see, this one, is this the same thing? Might be. I'm going to match the item numbers. Let me see, we've got T52822P. Yes, this is the exact same thing, exact same sizes. So color black. So exact same item. So I double ordered that one. Oh yeah, and these were getting sold out. You guys were asking for these. These are my, so I have an extra large, a 2XL, and a 3XL in this particular tunic top dress is what I call it. These are the softest fabric ever. I actually have about 3 of these dresses myself that I kept for my size. But this one has doggies all over it if you want to look at it real close. Got some Dalmatians and poodles and bulldogs. Looks like huskies. Really cute. So like I said, we have extra large, 2XL, and 3XL in this style. And what else we have in here? Oh, this is a fun one. We got these specifically because we know St. Patrick's Day is coming up. So these are small, medium, and large. Let's see if I can get this open. Small, medium, and large. And it's a really cute. This one is the small. It's a short sleeved, but it's one of those tunic top dresses as well, but it's got shamrocks on it. See? It's plaid, the green and black plaid with shamrocks all over it. Same type of material, super duper soft, very comfortable, very flattering on you with the pattern. So really, really nice dress, tunic top. These are perfect with leggings. So if you are St. Patrick's Day wearer or simply just light green, there you go. And we've got another one that is small, medium, and large. I don't think that came in the plus sizes, but we'll see. Then we've got more of these. These sold out super fast for me. This is, I've got 2 smalls, 2 mediums, and 2 larges. And these are kind of like a zip-up jacket. And like I said, all of this is going to be available on Hooked on Pickin, so you can go there and check out all the prices for it. This is a really sharp, kind of lightweight hooded jacket. This is the size large. Looks like this. And it's a stretchy microfiber kind of material, moisture wicking, athletic style hooded zip-up jacket. So that one's really super nice.
Do you pay more for this stuff from a wholesaler than a liquidator?
I do pay a little bit more for it from a wholesaler, but I bargain hunt when it comes to wholesalers, and so I try to do that just simply because then I can give you guys the good deal. So, oh, this was a favorite shirt that sold out really fast, and it took me a while to get this back in stock. This is a extra large 2XL, 3XL. This is a shirt that I would wear, definitely. So I'm going to open this one. Show you what it looks like. This one's a super soft, lightweight sweater. This is the extra large style. And it's got regular length sleeves. And if you look here, I think
Is that a sweater?
This is a sweater. Yeah, it's very lightweight, almost like a shirt. See how it's crisscrossed in the front and it's real long in the back? You know why I like the shirt? Covers your bum. So it's a really flattering top, and the crisscross goes pretty low. So it's going to probably hit the bottom of your pants zipper. So it's a little bit more of a tunic length style top. So this is like a charcoal gray sweater. And it, like I said, it's extra large, 2XL, 3XL is what we have in that style. We're running out of room here. Just set it over here. Then we have, this is another one similar to the gray one, but it's got a little bit of a different style, and it's purple. So it's kind of got a purple plum kind of color to it. This one is also the extra large 2XL, 3XL category. This is a very pretty top. So this one just has a straight hem, but it's got that high-low. So it's a little bit higher in the front and then goes real, real low along the back. But it's a nice crew neck on it. But it's got kind of like that black and purple design on it. And it has regular length sleeves on it. So it's a real, real pretty top. So I love this one a lot. So this is extra large, 2XL, 3XL. That is it for that box. So I'm actually going to just do this. Give myself some room for the other box, and we'll see what else is in the other box. It's not going to go back in the way it came out. There. All right, now I have room to open this one. Boy, they pack it in there. So far, I just absolutely love it. I love the shamrock dress for St. Patrick's Day. That's kind of fun, isn't it? And the doggy dress we have back in stock that we had sold out of. Oh, these are favorites of everybody's. Okay, so this is a blue top. It's extra large, 2XL, 3XL. Let me finally open it. There we go. And this is a kind of a tunic length. I think it's a t-shirt, but I can't remember if it's 3/4 length or if it's a t-shirt. We'll have to look. Very lightweight shirt. It's a short sleeve shirt, tunic length. So it's got the fun kind of different direction of lines there. And then on the back, it's just straight lines. But this is the 2XL. Very comfortable shirt. Really, really nice. And I've got this in multiple colors. So this is the blue. I've got one in like a turquoise, greenish. I've got one in pink. And then I think I also have a black and white one. So you can find that in all the different colors. But these are all in extra large, 2XL, 3XL. And then what is this one? Ooh, this might be my other pair of yoga pants. So this will be a large, 2 extra larges, 2 double X's, and 1 3XL for all my yoga pants. And these are the red ones with the bows. They're kind of a dark, they call them red wine red. So they're yoga pants with the fun bows on the bottom. So these are really, really nice and comfy. You can buy this and wear it with one of the tunic tops. That'd be a good combo. Make yourself a whole outfit there. All right, so we've got those. Looks like I've got another pack of these because these sell out so fast. So another pack of the red, and it goes all the way from large to XXL. And then I've got the same thing in the blue. This is kind of a greenish blue. Same kind of thing, but it's the yoga pants in this color. Same thing, it's large to XXL. So you got those with the little bows on the bottom. See there? And it looks like I've got 2 packs of those as well. So we're restocking all my yoga pants, which is really nice. There's the other one there. Oh, look. This is, okay, this one is called One Size. I think these might be leggings as well. These match the dress, so if you want to just go bonkers on it, these are called One Size. So they're kind of a one size fits all. I'll have the measurements on the listing, but they're basically leggings that stretch kind of crazy, you know. You probably, just looking at them, I'm saying you're going to max out at probably a large with these leggings. But they're the exact same pattern as the dress. So those are some fun shamrock leggings. Same thing here. Yeah, I got 6 of them, all the same size. Oh wait, maybe I didn't get 6 of them. I got 9 of them. Makes that 12. Wait, 6 times 4, 24 of them. Is one plus size? This one says one size. Oh yeah, this one is plus size. And this one is plus size. So I do have, okay, so that would be all the way up to large. And then these are all the plus size ones. Good, I'm glad. So these are the larger ones. Oh yeah, definitely much more size in there. So we have plus size and we have regular. So that's nice. So no matter your size, you can wear those. And then what are these? Are these more dresses? Yeah, these are 2 extra large, 2XL, and 3XL of the shamrock dresses.
Can you flip it around for me?
Yeah. So it has the extra large, 2XL, 3XL, because I think we did small, medium, and large in the others. Yeah, and I've got 2 packs of those. So, no matter your size, you can wear something shamrock from me, because we've got the plus size leggings and the regular size leggings, and the plus size dress and the regular size dress. So I'm super excited. You'll find these already on Hooked on Pickin by the time you see this video. And so you can check them out, buy them. They're really, really comfortable, and they're going to be a very reasonable price. So hopefully it's been fun watching me open these from my wholesaler and seeing all the brand new product that's going on hookedonpickin.com. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Just like all the clothes that we unboxed, you can find many more awesome things on hookedonpickin.com, like these bath bombs. They're coconut cream scented bath bombs that look like a Hershey Kiss. Perfect for Valentine's Day coming up. And so hopefully you can just peruse the store, find something awesome. Also, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button if you love this video. And of course, hit that notification bell. Every time I put out a new video, you'll be notified so you don't miss a single thing.